What was the world like in the beginning? The Bible describes the early earth as paradise, a lush and beautiful world from pole to pole, a world where man, animals, and plants of all kinds lived in perfect harmony. A world without sickness, disease, pain, or death. This golden age of the past, reported to us accurately in the Bible, is remembered in the legends of human cultures throughout our history, where man and animals grew to be larger and live much longer than we do today. Scientific discoveries reveal fossil representatives of every major kind of plant and animal that are many times larger than their present-day counterparts. Fossil insects as large as modern dogs. Fossil birds with 25-foot wingspans. And fish as big as our modern whales, to name a few. Today, Earth is not paradise anymore. So we must ask, when was paradise lost? And why? And will we ever see it again? So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. God blessed them, and God said unto them, be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it. And have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over every living thing that moveth upon the earth. And God said, behold, I have given you every herb-bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat, and to every beast of the earth, and to every fowl of the air, and to everything that creepeth upon the earth, wherein there is life, I have given every green herb for meat. And it was so. God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the 6th day.